Welcome to Crooked River Homestead. Today we are doubling down on our efforts to make better use of the excavator. So Tim is using the excavator and I'm gonna get in the tractor and be picking up the smaller rocks with the tractor that he's not able to pick up with the excavator, and he's creating a ditch. I'll turn you around here. He's creating a ditch behind where he is now for me to dump the rocks. We need a place to put all the rocks that we're finding, and we kind of needed to build a rock wall back there for the banking. So that's what I'm going to be helping with today, and so Tim doesn't have to lose time on the excavator doing the smaller stuff that I'm going to be doing today.
And fighting like hell.